guys! This is again your teacher Lynn para sa isa na namang video tutorial. Hindi ka makakonect sa internet? Well, watch this video till the end. Alright guys, so let's start. Ayan, hindi ka makakonect sa internet. Bakit kaya? Okay, first one is you have to on your Wi-Fi connection. Turn on lang natin ang ating Wi-Fi connection para tayo makakonect. And then, okay, let's try it. But be sure na connected po tayo sa ating internet. Ayan, connected po siya. Now that we are connected with our internet, let's try if we can search po sa YouTube. Try po natin. Ayan, wala pa rin siya. Have you encountered this kind of problem? Ayaw pa rin po niya. Okay, try nating mag-search. Okay, try nating i-search kids videos. Still loading po siya. Umiikot lang. So, it means to say, hindi pa rin tayo connected sa ating internet. Bakit kaya? Naka-turn on na yung Wi-Fi but still we are not connected. Or hindi tayo maka-access sa ating internet. Okay, so let's try this other way. Punta tayo sa settings. Then, hanapin natin ang system settings. Ayan, there you are. And after that, punta tayo sa date and time. Let's check yung date and time natin. Okay, set natin, check natin. Ang date na nakalagay dito is Thursday, April 21, 2022. Okay, so hindi yan ang date today. Okay, so let's try to change it. Dapat naka-date kung ano yung date sa araw na magko-connect ka sa internet. So palitan natin. So today is October 21, 2022. So, I'm going to set it October 21, 2022. Or, pwede pong iset time automatically natin. Okay? Ayan, set time automatically. Kung ano yung date to day, yun po ang mag-a-appear dyan sa date and time. Alright, so, i-try po natin kung pwede na tayong maka-search or maka-connect sa ating internet. Okay, punta tayo sa YouTube, try natin. Ayan guys, nakikita nyo, meron na. So, ayan, try natin mag-search kids videos. Ayan guys. Ayan, nagsisearch na siya. Alright, so there you are guys. Ayan, nakakonect na tayo sa ating internet. Okay, let's try it. Ayan. So guys, to sum it up, para makakonect tayo sa ating internet, be sure na naka-on ang ating Wi-Fi connection, and kung ayaw pa rin, please check the date and time sa ating system setting. Okay, so that's all for today's video guys, and I hope you learned something. Thank you. This is again your teacher Lynn. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye-bye and have a nice day.